Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Canon EOS R50 camera to home Wi-Fi router. So first you have to go to menu, then from top select fourth option. Select fourth option, then select first option. Then here select advanced connection. Then select connect to smartphone. Then select add a device to connect to. Then select next. Then here down we can see all Wi-Fi networks available in our area. So here we have to select the network for which we need to connect. I am using this Airtel My Wi-Fi. I need to connect to this home Wi-Fi router. Select it. Then here we need to enter the password. Okay, I have entered the password. Then select OK. Then select auto settings. IPv6 disable. Then please wait. Okay, it's connected. You can see it's connected and it has assigned an IP to this camera 192.168.1.8. Okay, now this camera is in home Wi-Fi network Airtel My Wi-Fi. Then in mobile phone we can open Google Play Store, then install this app Canon Camera Connect. Install it. I already installed it. Let me open it. Then tap on this register your camera. You can see it, the phone automatically detected the camera in the home Wi-Fi network. Here you can see one pop-up. We have to select it. Then in camera we have to select OK. Connect to this smartphone. See, connection established. See, now this camera is connected to that Canon Camera Connect app. Now I can control this camera using this app. See, okay. So this way we can connect Canon EOS R50 camera to home Wi-Fi network. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.